The Smart Collector's Guide to Buying Gold and Silver Bullion, a practical, educational guide for today's precious metals market. Disclaimer: this guide is provided for general educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended to constitute financial, investment, legal, or tax advice. The American Numismatic Association does not provide individualized investment recommendations and does not endorse specific dealers, products, or strategies. Readers are encouraged to consult with qualified financial, legal, or tax professionals before making any financial decisions. All examples and references in this guide are for educational purposes only. Welcome. Interest in gold and silver has surged in recent years, driven by market volatility, inflation concerns, and renewed interest in tangible assets. For many collectors and enthusiasts, bullion represents both an opportunity and a responsibility. An opportunity to deepen their engagement with precious metals, and a responsibility to approach purchases thoughtfully and ethically. This guide is designed to help you navigate the bullion marketplace with confidence. Whether you're purchasing your first silver round or adding gold coins to a long-established collection, our goal is to provide clear, practical, and trustworthy information. The American Numismatic Association is committed to educating collectors at every level, and this guide reflects that mission. Section 1. Investor or Collector: Understanding your purpose. Before purchasing bullion, it is helpful to reflect on your primary motivation. Some buyers approach bullion primarily as an investment. Others view it as an extension of their numismatic interests. Many fall somewhere in between. Investor-focused buyers often prioritize metal content and liquidity, focus on spot price and premiums, seek easily tradable forms of bullion, monitor market trends closely. Collector-focused buyers often value design, minting quality, and history, enjoy building themed collections, may hold bullion long-term, appreciate craftsmanship and presentation. Neither approach is right or wrong, but understanding your purpose helps you make more informed and satisfying purchasing decisions. Section 2. Understanding bullion basics. What is bullion? Bullion refers to precious metals in highly refined form, valued primarily for their metal content rather than rarity or historical significance. Common forms include coins, rounds, and bars. Spot price. The spot price is the current market price for precious metals, usually quoted per troy ounce. It fluctuates throughout the day based on global supply and demand. Premiums. A premium is the amount charged above the spot price. It covers minting and manufacturing, distribution, dealer operating costs, and market demand. Premiums vary by product and market conditions. Troy ounce. Precious metals are measured in troy ounces, which differ slightly from standard ounces. 1 troy ounce equals 31.1035 grams, and 1 standard ounce equals 28.3495 grams. Section 3. Choosing reputable dealers. Selecting a trustworthy dealer is one of the most important steps in bullion purchasing. Look for dealers who have an established reputation, provide transparent pricing, clearly explain fees and policies, offer written documentation, and have verifiable business credentials. Use trusted resources. The ANA Dealer Directory is an excellent starting point for locating professional numismatic businesses that adhere to ethical standards. Avoid high-pressure sales tactics, vague pricing, or offers that seem unusually favorable. Section 4. Understanding pricing and fees. Before making a purchase, be sure you understand all costs involved. Common fees may include product premiums, shipping and handling, insurance, and payment processing fees. Ask for a complete breakdown before finalizing any transaction. Comparing prices. Comparing multiple dealers helps you understand typical market pricing and avoid unnecessary overpayment. Section 5. The Bullion Buying Checklist. Use this checklist to guide each purchase. Check the current spot price. Compare premiums from multiple dealers. Verify dealer reputation. Confirm product specifications. Review payment methods. Understand shipping and insurance policies. Request written confirmation. Keep purchase records. A thoughtful approach helps reduce risk and build confidence. Section 6. Common mistakes to avoid. Even experienced collectors can make occasional missteps. Being aware of common pitfalls can help you avoid them. Frequent errors include purchasing without checking spot prices, ignoring premiums, relying on unverified sellers, failing to document transactions, making emotional buying decisions, neglecting storage planning. Taking time to research and reflect can prevent costly mistakes. Section 7. Storage and security considerations. Protecting your bullion is just as important as acquiring it. Storage options: home safes, bank safe deposit boxes, professional depositories. Best practices: maintain privacy. Keep detailed records. Consider insurance. Use secure transportation. Each option has advantages and limitations. Choose what best fits your circumstances. Section 8. Building a balanced collection. Many collectors seek balance between bullion and numismatic material. Consider diversifying metal types, including different mints, balancing modern and classic designs, aligning purchases with personal interests. A thoughtful collection reflects both knowledge and passion. Section 9. Glossary of common terms. Bullion. Precious metal valued primarily for its metal content. Spot price. Current market price of precious metal. Premium. Amount charged above spot price. Round. Privately minted bullion piece. Troy ounce. Standard measurement for precious metals. Liquidity. Ease of converting assets into cash. Section 10. Trusted ANA resources. Continue your learning through these official ANA resources. Gold and silver buying tips. 6 tips for buying bullion. Investor versus collector. ANA dealer directory. Educational programs. ANA publications. Visit money.org to learn more. Section 11. Your next steps. Education is the foundation of successful collecting. We encourage you to stay informed, ask questions, engage with the numismatic community, use trusted resources, and continue learning. If you are not already a member, consider joining the American Numismatic Association to access exclusive educational tools, publications, and programs. Learn more at money.org/join.